Hi everyone, it's Jessie if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a package from Demonia. I recently purchased one of their boots and I'm so excited to show you guys how I would style them. So let's get started. So here's the package. I'm so excited to open it. It doesn't come in a regular box. I think they just cover it with like paper. Here it is. Let's find a way to open this. But here it is in all its glory. This box is huge. Look at it. Thumbnail. Hold on. Use that big brain. So it comes with its own like tissue paper. And ta-da! Look at it. Oh my gosh. So I got Demonia's Shaker 100. It's made out of vegan leather, which is very nice. They look like this. I'll take out the other pair. They're like not as heavy as I thought they would be. Ta-da! Look at them! So I got a size 7, but I actually wear a 7.5, but I heard that they're pretty big in the toe area, so I got a regular size 7 instead of 8 because I thought an 8 would be too big. So this is what they look like. I'm really short, so I really hope these fit. Should I try them on first? I'm gonna try them on first. Oh, I'm gonna take out all the stuff on the inside. It has a really long zipper. Okay, let's try it. Oh my gosh. Okay, they fit perfectly. You see that? I wanna see how comfortable they are. Putting on the other boots. I'm gonna just like test how comfortable they are firsthand before I style them. Okay. Oh, they're so comfortable. They look like crazy cool. Oh my gosh. I feel like a giant. So first of all, they're super duper comfy. You're a 7.5. A 7 will definitely fit. Well, at least for me at least. It's like perfectly at the toes and it's not like squished. These 10 out of 10, and let's see how I style them. It is so hot in my room. Oh my gosh. Well, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my demonias and me styling them. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you really like this video and want to see more of me, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!